Hi everybody, I'm Fabio Tozzi and I'm the sales director of IMA Gima, one of the division which is involved in the IMA Group within the confectionery business. Well, since the last years, we started with a traditional machine for feeding product like candies and gum into a carton box. And then from that point on up to now, we developed the overall portfolio of technologies from primary down to downstream equipment. Sustainability became more and more an important target for many of the customers. Let me see, how to deploy that on the traditional pack is something that each customer needed to figure out how to do. So as IMA, we have an internal structure which is called OpenLab that started making a benchmarking of the different materials available in the market as alternative to the traditional one. IMA OpenLab was established several years ago in order to start monitoring the quality of material that we were bringing on the machine. This was mostly to keep the knowledge on ourselves of what we were delivering and monitor any possible problem on the performances that could be maybe not related to the machine but to the different material. And this, whenever the sustainability matter became an important fact, this was an already established lab or competence depth that was easy to deploy to all this additional study. Well, the Open Lab is an important hub for us to get information in order to understand how the different material can have an impact on either performances or quality on our machines. We have a new machine as an example that is in progress to be delivered to a customer by the end of the year. And on this specific machine, we are packing a stick of pellet, which is a very traditional pack. The innovation here is related to the fact that customer is looking for different material from the traditional one with a more sustainable behave. And what we did was to keep the machine with tooling in order to be capable to switch from one material to the other without having an impact on the either quality and performance. So the willing for us was to be more and more open to any kind of innovation that the customer is bringing to his own product and pack. And this is the final result of which we are really happy. So let's say the customer came to us with a specific need without even having clarity on what the final pack was gonna be looks like. So what we did was to share with them some of the options that were already available based on our experience on other applications, for example, in the wrapping of rigid box, like carton box or whatever, where we have already established high competence on handling different material. We just brought some example of a box. This is a traditional carton box, which has an additional functionality, that sliding mechanism that normally you could do with plastic. So the idea here is to show additional capability on manufacturing box with carton, which is sustainable, but doing something different from the traditional opening, which is a flip top. Whatever was not possible to be done in the past, now is really possible in something that is then possibly produced on a technology without affecting too much speed or performance or whatever.